Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. Please watch this video to the end because it's going to be helpful to you. And also don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you. So I'll be showing you how to create a 3D e-cover in less than a minute. If you master this art, you will know how to create any e-cover in less than a minute. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to have the 2D design of the e-cover. The 2D design is simply a design that is not in a 3D format. Now, this is a 2D design and this is a 3D design. Can you see? Let me show you another 3D design before we get started. Trying to show you another 3D design. Okay, fine. This is a 3D design and I think I should have the 2D design of this image. Yeah, this is the 2D design. So the first thing you need to do is to have the 2D design. In case you don't know how to do that, kindly check in the description box. There is a video there, a video link that will show you how to create an e-cover in less than 5 minutes. Now that video will show you how to create your 2D design. But for this tutorial, let's assume that you already have your 2D design. All you need to do is to come over to the site called adazin.com, sorry. Then you click on free tools, free stuff for authors. It's going to take you to this place. Then just choose book mockup creator. Then when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this place. Now on this site you will see different cover templates that you can choose from. If you want if you are trying to create a CD design template, you can use this, a book design, a larger book design, a spiral bind book design, any kind of design that you want, as long as you have your 2D made ready. So most times I normally go with this and I will click on select. The page loads. As soon as the page loads, you enter your first name and your email, and make sure you use your original email. Don't put a fake email because they will be sending you the download link to your email. That is in case you don't download it immediately. So that is why you need your email, a valid email. So here you come over and choose the file. Now in this case you have to choose your 2D design. So let me get a 2D design. Let me get one of my 2D designs here. Let's take one of these 2D designs. Okay, let's take this. Then you click on finish. It will render your image into a 3D cover and you will have your 3D cover ready for any product, for your advert, for anything that you want to do with it. Let's wait for it to load for some time. Now you can see I have my 3D cover ready, so I can download it here for free. That is how you can download it into your computer or PC for free. But in case you don't download it immediately, you go to your email, they will send you a download link to your email. So that is why you need to put a valid email. So I've clicked on download and here is my image. So I have successfully created a 3D e-cover. So this is how to create a 3D e-cover, and I hope the video is insightful. If you master this in less than a minute, you will definitely create a 3D e-cover. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Thank you and see you in my next video tutorial.